Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and we're doing something different. We are doing a vlog, and yeah, so I always do that. Like, I'm just like, ow. Ow! Isaac! Oh yeah, I have Isaac here with me again. Isaac, what the heck?
I was practicing, you know?
No. Oh, I got it! In a really bad spot though. Dang it.
No.
Yeah. This is really pointless. No, that thing!
Huh?
Dude, that thing is like dominant.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, speaking of that, let's play pool.
Yeah.
Pool.
Yeah. Pool.
Actually, I don't need to take that. No, that thing! What are you doing?
It's pool.
Here, you take the camera.
Me?
Yeah. Hey.
Have the ball.
Oh, no! Alright, so I don't... Dude, where the heck did that triangle
He's doing
thing go?
really random stuff.
Where the heck did that Illuminati triangle thing go?
I don't know, but you can
So,
work that out.
work it out. Work out!
Well, we're just gonna go somewhere in time. That's boring.
Hey.
Hi.
You're not even looking at anything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I found the triangle thing.
You found my triangle?
My triangle?
Found my triangle?
I guess.
Dude, you're pointing at nothing.
I'm
Stop
pointing at
pointing.
you.
Now you are.
Oh,
Well, I don't know. I can't see. Just by the looks at you're pointing at nothing.
Ew. It's just no triangle.
The Illuminati triangle. Illuminati triangle.
What the crap is
you're
that?
You're pointing at. Okay, there you
What the crap is that?
go. A triangle.
That's not.
A triangle with no triangles.
Okay.
Okay.
Does that look like a triangle?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, does that look like a triangle?
That was so weird. All right.
What the?
Take that. Okay, let's play pool.
Me?
Switch off the camera every single
Me first.
turn. No. Let's play
Alright.
one game of pool.
Yeah.
Focus on this board. You don't really need to see me.
Boom, boom.
What are you doing?
Boom. I don't know.
Alright. Remember, okay, if you hit that black hole, ball
I know.
ball in, you lose.
I know.
away.
Right here.
Has to be.
Whoa.
Dang it.
My turn.
Here, let me take that. Oh, you see a lot of hand action.
Look at this epicness.
Epicness. Everything's so epicness.
What the crap?
You didn't even hit anything in.
What the?
And if you hit it in, you get to go again.
This game is cheating.
I'm cheating. I farted.
Bell. Oh.
Yay.
Hey,
No!
I get a pick. Thank you.
2-0. There we go. Fine. Choose wherever you want, friend.
Right here.
Get my points out.
What the crap is this thing?
Yay! You got one in. Yay. Now read get your points once you're done.
What am I?
Yeah, another one. Don't get another one. Yay, we're tied. Get your points out of there.
Oh, my points.
Yeah.
It's one.
There you go. Hey,
I can't even find my points.
you got points.
Where's my
Have
points?
poop in them.
I got 2 points.
5 points. Have gold in them. Oh, that's a straight shot. Oh,
Okay.
well, I failed. Da-da-da. Da-da. Hey, turn around. You're a little bit out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What the? What the heck was that?
Epic fail. Epic. So epic. If I could choose anywhere I want to go, I would choose in my mother's stomach again.
No.
What the heck was that?
It was the. I don't even know.
You gotta do this. I forgot. Really? I'm so glad I didn't go in, but.
No.
Hi.
Shoot, this is bad. What the?
Oh, I didn't even go in. Dude, I thought that one over there would go in, and I thought that one. Oh, dude, claim your points.
These are my boys.
Oh, that's my point. Never mind. Those are my
Yeah.
points.
I'll just.
Hey.
This is your account.
It is my
It's
phone.
tie.
It's a tie against time. Wait, don't move, don't move it. So he was sitting down and it hit him right in the balls, except must have not have. It hit probably above, but dang. Oh, you did. Oh.
Watch and learn.
You're tumbling.
Oh yeah.
You got one. Claim your points. Da-da-da. This is your balls.
Move.
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 I don't want to move, but I'll move.
What the fuck?
That just lined it up perfectly for me. Hi.
Okay.
Really?
Thanks, dude.
You got that perfect.
3
You're
points.
aiming at.
3 points. Oh no, it
Ball
sucked.
away.
No, you imagine I missed.
Claim your balls.
Dude, you got 5? Dude. Don't steal.
I wish. Nothing. My turn.
Let's just like leave it up here.
No, you can't do that because then it's just aiming over there. Trying to make life easier again.
No!
I lost.
Winner.
I got that 8 ball in. I hate you. Hate you. Banana.
I won.
You were just a mouse.
Yeah.
Like what though?
I know.
Here, let's clean up all this.
Yeah.
We like.
Let's play the army. Bum bum. Oh, that is weird.
Dude, you're aiming at nothing.
There you go.
Hey, dude, flip it around.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi. Where in the world are you going? No ammo.
Ooh, do this.
I like blue.
I like your mom. Dude, you're aiming at nothing.
I know.
You gotta aim at something.
Well, you can't. Okay, guys.
Hey, dude.
We're gonna win this.
You're gonna be right there. Ammo is in the middle.
Okay.
I'll be over here.
We're gonna win this.
Actually, no. I'll be somewhere around here.
We can only use pistols.
Hi. Here. Alright, what time? How long have we been recording right now?
8 minutes.
Alright, when it gets to about 10 minutes,
Then.
we'll switch off. Make your base.
Done.
Well, I'm not.
Wait, I need balloon protection. Balloon protection.
Alright, I'm done.
Yeah, guys. When the world is he?
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, yeah. And that.
I stole ammo. See? Ammo.
You can't do that. You can only take a few bullets.
Oh. Well, I'll just take a few.
Oh, yeah, whatever. I can't shoot. There you go. Right in the middle.
You said you can't shoot.
Oh, well then why are you aiming at me? You can't shoot either. Dude, you can't shoot either.
Yes, I can.
I know, but if you were going to move that,
Oh.
you can't shoot that.
No, dude, I threw it over there a long time
That
ago.
doesn't count, but it's effective to shoot them right. Can't you shoot? Hey,
The what is he?
did I just seriously shoot off of the balloon? You're playing work perfectly.
Well, how much ammo do you have?
Like, 4 more bullets left. Not counting that. Ricochets count. That means like if it bounces off the wall. Did that get you?
I got shot.
1,
Ah!
2. Did that get you?
No.
Oh, that was close then.
Eh. Loading.
Not my last. My dad's guitar.
Got you?
No.
Wait here.
Oh, you got me.
Yeah, I got it.
Crash the bullet.
I got him. I think.
2.
At least.
Oh, God. Oh, I hit you. I won.
What the crap?
I'll take the camera.
Yeah, the camera's way harder. I gotta tell you that.
All right. Alright. Let's try to do this. Let's see if hold on. Let's see if I can get this into a position. Is that good? It would be, but I can't really hold it onto anything. Hold on. I think that would be good. No, it wouldn't. I'm trying to make myself win here. Okay, it doesn't even stay. What the crap are you doing?
You have a chair.
Okay, whatever. There's really no place I can think of. What about down here? Then you just see your toilet paper. Which I don't think you guys really want to see. Okay, what about... Okay, right there it holds, but... Is that good, camera? Of course it isn't. Alright, what about right there?
So you're right here. I'm testing things out. Because I'm thinking about if you can shoot on me. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, that's so hot.
Okay, that might work, but I really can't see, so you guys are gonna be... Oh, crap. You guys are gonna be seeing nothing for like maybe 30 seconds. Ow! But my drums. All right, that's perfect. That's perfect towards Isaac, but not me. But who cares? You guys are gonna be seeing Isaac. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I need ammo. You can take 10 bullets of ammo. Unless you already have. No, only pistols. Oh, it's so unfair. Alright, I think that's 10. I don't know, is that 10? You okay there?
Maybe.
Alright, you ready?
No.
3, 2.
Who cares?
3, 2, 1.
Well, I'm not ready. All right. Start.
Go! Really?
There.
3, 2, 1, go! Did I get you?
No.
Oh. Oh, I got your gun or your hand. That's one on you. Dang it. Oh, I farted. Holy crap, dude, that was close, except it wasn't. It hit my drums. Yep. Ah, you got me. One on me, one on you. Alright. Oh, geez, were you trying to shoot through it?
Yeah, that's what I did the first time.
Did that get you? I don't
No.
think it did. Shoot! You can't take it.
I was trying to grab the bag. I mean the.
Oh, my face! That's still on me. Oh my god.
I'm winning.
he did. He shot, so my face was about right here. Right there. He shot directly toward that all the way from over here. So, yeah.
Dude,
And then that hit me straight right here. And it sucked.
Every single time I shot through this.
Yeah.
I was doing my moves. These are my moves.
But yeah, okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like down below. And if you guys want to see more of this, once again, leave a like down below. If you guys want to see games to play or things to do, hey, get in here.
Me?
Yeah, you're a part of this. Please comment down that below. If you guys want to see more content, subscribe. I'd really enjoy that. And yeah, see ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.